Well, hello folks. It's springtime, the grass is growing, the weather's warm, so that means it's time to mow. So we're going to use the Allis Chalmers tractor, the D14, and the Woods brush hog, and we're going to mow this field. You can see I made a couple passes already, but the grass is growing really well. I don't want it to get too high and be miserable. So first things first, we'll use our hydraulic lever here to drop the brush hog down. There we go, now we're all engaged. And then we've got to turn on the power takeoff. And we've got to fire it all the way up. I'm mowing in second gear. It handles that, low range second gear. And here we go. Does a pretty good job of mowing just like a regular mower, even though it's a heavier duty machine for heavier brush. But as you can see, it makes a nice cut. And I'll tell you what, I certainly appreciate being to have this equipment to mow the fields and just using that garden tractor we have. It's a much wider cut that you can make each time, so it doesn't take as long. Plus, driving these old tractors, hey, you can't beat it. It's not like the brand new ones for sure, but there's just something about the older ones that felt real and felt solid. This is a 1958 model that's still running strong, so you can see how well Allis Chalmers and the other companies built the tractors back then.